You lied to me.
I told you what I had to.
No, you told me what was convenient. I thought you told me the truth, Damien.
Okay.
Okay?
I don't think you can smoke in here.
Do you have any idea what this means? And at this moment, I've been fighting for you because I believed what you told me. I thought that we were proving, Damien, that all men are filth.
I never said I wasn't. Fear.
Do you know what it's like to receive threats daily?
I sure do.
Stop fucking around, because this is personal. I've put my name, my career, everything on the line for you, and all you have given me is a house of fucking cards. This is a shit show. I need to get out of this.
You can. You can walk right out of this case. Save yourself some serious embarrassment. Or you can support me and actually get ahead in your career.
Excuse me?
You're the best, you know that. Shift the narrative. Make these new details work in my favor. Win this case. And they'll finally see that you are the best too. But if you walk away now, I'll become another guilty man, which at some level I am. And you, just another name on the list of good, decent, and affordable lawyers.
You think this is about ambition? This is about what is right, the truth and fairness, and you have. I don't even know who you are anymore.
Neither do I. People see what they want to see. They don't want the truth. They want a monster. And you know it, Lena. This isn't about fairness. And it's not about justice.
Then we tell them the truth, right now, all of it. Change the plea, no reworking the narrative.
What are you hoping for? That the details of my past will cast me as a victim? Are you kidding me? Hear yourself.
I can't support you anymore.
You can't, or you won't. I am a faulty man, but I am not a monster, Lena. Can you stand for that?
We're ready for you.
What are you going to do?